Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Kali Linux on your Android device. Now the only requirement is that you have at least 40 GB of free space on your phone, and we can begin the installation. So first, let's open our browser. Now I'm going to provide this link in the video description, and then from here we can head to download Termux. Now scroll down and download Termux APK from GitHub right here. Next, we have to download NetHunter Store. Now NetHunter Store is going to help us download NetHunter KeX. So let's search for NetHunter Store. Now click on the link to NetHunter Store. Now to access the download button, you have to switch to landscape mode on your phone. That's just a bug on the website. And from here you can download the store app. So here we go, we have NetHunter Store and Termux APK. Now let's install NetHunter Store. Install. And let's also install Termux. Done. So here we go. We have NetHunter Store and we also have Termux. Now let's open NetHunter Store. Now search for KeX and then let's install NetHunter KeX. If you get this prompt, just go to your settings and allow from this source. Now we can install. More details and then install anyway. And head back to our home page, and here we have NetHunter KeX. So this is all you need: NetHunter KeX, Termux and NetHunter Store. Now let's open Termux. And then type in the first command, Termux setup storage. Now type it exactly as seen on the screen. Hit enter. Now we are going to give access to Termux so it can access our files. Next, we are going to change the repository by running termux-change-repo. Now select main repository and then select mirrors by Albatross. This is the repo we are using. Continue. Now this is going to update some packages. Next, we are going to run pkg update and pkg upgrade. So just type it exactly as seen. Hit enter. Now if it shows any prompt like this, simply enter Y for yes and hit enter. All the packages have been updated. Now let's install wget by typing in the command pkg install wget-y. Now wget is what we're going to use to run the installation, to grab the files we need. And then now let's head back to our browser, head back to the post on my blog eTechBox. So if you scroll down, you're going to see a section to install Kali NetHunter. There are 3 different versions: the full version, minimal and nano. So the full version is the complete version, which is what we want for this installation. But you can go with the minimal or nano depending on what you want. But for this video, we are going with the full version. So let's copy the script for the full version right there. The script for every other version is available as well. So copy and then head back to Termux. Now let's hold and then paste. Hit enter. And it should grab the file we need to install Kali Linux. So you can see the file right there, install NetHunter full. Now type in ls and hit enter, and that is the file. Now we have to make this file executable. So to do that, we have to type in the command chmod +x and then the name of our file. This is going to make the file executable and we can run it to install Kali Linux. Now if you type in ls again, you can see the file color has changed to green. It is now executable. Now to run this file, just type in // and then the file name install-nethunter-full, and then hit enter, and it should start downloading Kali Linux for our Android phone. Now this is going to take a while. It may take 30 minutes or less, or sometimes even more. It all depends on your network speed. In my case, this is going to take around 14-15 minutes, so you just have to wait. Download complete. Now after downloading, it will extract the rootfs file it downloaded, and then we can proceed with running Kali. So now type in Y to delete rootfs after making use of it, and we are done. Now we need to set a password for Kali Linux, so type in NetHunter KeX PASSWD, hit enter. Now put in a password. Now you wouldn't really see the password as you're typing it, but it is recording. Next, and then verify the password as well. Continue. We are going to set a view only password, yes, and then type in a password for view only password as well. I'm just going to use the same password, and then verify that as well, and that's all. Now to run Kali Linux, just type in NetHunter KeX and then hit enter, and it should start up VNC. So you can see we now have ROFB port number, which is 5901. It should be the same in your case, so take note of your port number. Now we can open NetHunter KeX, allow, and then you can see the port number 5900. Change that to 5901 or whatever you saw there, and then type in your VNC password, which we set earlier. So just type in the VNC password we set about a minute ago, and then connect, and that's all basically. So this is how to install Kali Linux on your Android phone. From here we can access the File Explorer and then basically do whatever you want to do here. You also have full access to all the tools Kali comes with, so you can see database, defense, evasion, and all other categories. You can use all of these whichever way you plan to use it. There is also an option to switch input mode, so you can switch to whichever you prefer if you don't like the mouse moving around. One last thing, to stop Kali Linux from running, close this and head back to Termux. Now type in NetHunter KeX stop, and this is going to exit the process and shut down Kali Linux. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the